from SD Islam Khalifah Anizam Palembang. Cek.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Raisha Adela Afwa. I'm from SD Islam Khalifah Anizam Palembang. Today I want to tell you story about the fox and the goat. Enjoy. In a fiery jungle, a wildfire happened. The rivers and streams dried up. The left water was undrinkable. Then the forest animal escaped to a small nearby village for water and food. One day, a thirsty fox sneaked into the nearby village to find any water, but couldn't find any water. He was disappointed. He kept walking and walking until found an old well. Wow, look what we have here. Immediately, he jumped into the well for drinking. Then, he didn't know how to get out. After a long wait, a thirsty goat came and said, "Bah, what are you doing here, Mr. Fox?" Bah. And then the fox said, "I'm drinking the finest water I've ever tasted. Come here and try it." Soon the goat jumped into the well to drink. After a few moments, he looked up and realized how to get out. The fox said, "You stand on your legs, I climb on your horn and help you out." The goat agreed. The fox climbed out the well, then he ran away. Thank you for your attention. Nice to see you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.